Hey guys, in this video we'll be going through all the new product updates released in July. So let's get started. Number one is previewing answers in knowledge bases. We've gotten a lot of feedback that testing knowledge bases is very important, and earlier we only used to support it when you actually built upon. Now, if you see here, we have added a new button called preview. So when you click on it, you can test the effectiveness of this knowledge base and its data by asking questions right here. So let's ask a question, what is WotNot? So what it's doing is trying to fetch the answer from these data sources that you have in this knowledge base, and the answers will be described here. You can even see which LLM model was used to generate this answer and how many tokens were utilized to do so. And any follow-up question will also be responded to instantly from here. There you go. And similarly, if you want to change or tweak the settings of the LLM, which model you want to use and the instructions, etc., you can make those changes here and apply. So these settings will be applied even for your next use. All right. So number two is WhatsApp flows. So recently, WhatsApp has introduced a new way in which you can collect information from users. And the way to do that is using WhatsApp flows. So the way it works is when you send a message, on click of that button, it'll open up a modal like this, and you can define how this modal would look like, what are the things that you would want to show, capture, the components you would want to use, etc. So these are just a few examples of what you could do, but it's basically Meta has opened it up to the end users. So you define the title, description, the fields you want to use. You can group number of fields together. You have like a lot of new components like dropdowns, radio buttons, checkboxes, date pickers. So ultimately helping the company make it a whole lot easier to collect a lot of information from users with less message exchanges. So that's WhatsApp flows. And the way it works within the platform is we have added a new block called WhatsApp flow. When you click on it, similar to the other WhatsApp blocks, you can configure the header, body, footer, and items which are specific to WhatsApp flows, like which flow do you want to initiate. So the name of the flow that you have when you have created it in the Meta portal, just write the same name here. And as WhatsApp flows can have more than one screen, so you can just write the name of the screen that you want to initiate. Data tells you, allows you to send information to the WhatsApp flow. So if you want to show a list of values on the dropdown which have been collected by the bot, so you can do that. And lastly, whatever has been collected by or submitted by the end users, you can save that into variables from here. So that's WhatsApp flows for you. Lastly is showing the outbound messages in the live chat screen. So earlier when you used to run campaigns, if someone had replied back, you would only see that message in the live chat screen. You didn't know which outbound message resulted in that reply, like if you had a lot of campaigns going. And due to this, live chat agents didn't have a lot of context as to why someone replying back, right? Because of which campaign or what was the message sent. So now onwards, whenever there is a reply coming back, if there was any outbound message sent to that user in the previous amount of time, you would be able to see what that outbound message was exactly. So you have more context to it, and you can then speak with the user accordingly. So yeah. Well, those were all the updates that we had for you in July. Hope you like them, and do follow us for more updates coming soon.